Is your brand new Fitbit Charge 6 dying in just a couple of days? You bought it for that amazing week-long battery life, but you're constantly seeing that low battery warning. It's incredibly frustrating. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the single biggest reason for that battery drain and exactly how to turn off the Fitbit Charge 6 always-on display to instantly get days back on a single charge. This is Anna from For Real. The Fitbit Charge 6 is a fantastic tracker, but the always-on display feature, while cool, is the #1 cause of rapid battery drain. Fitbit advertises up to 7 days of battery. But with this feature enabled, many users, maybe including you, are seeing closer to 2 or 3 days. It keeps the screen dimly lit all the time so you can see the clock, but that constant power draw adds up fast. Turning it off doesn't mean your watch is useless. The screen will still wake up instantly when you turn your wrist or tap the screen. You're just telling it not to stay on 24/7. This one change is the key to unlocking that amazing battery life you were promised, making your device more reliable for sleep tracking, long workouts, and weekend trips without needing a charger. Step 1. Swipe down from the clock face. From your main clock, just place your finger at the top of the screen and swipe down. This opens up your quick settings panel. You'll see icons for things like Do Not Disturb, Sleep Mode, and Google Wallet. We need to go deeper. Step 2. Keep swiping down until you see Settings. From that quick panel, swipe down again. You'll go past notifications and other options. Keep going until you see a blue gear icon with the word Settings next to it. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Perfect. You're now in the main settings menu. You'll see a few options here. We want to focus on the display. Step 3. Tap on Display Settings. This is usually the first or second option in the list. This menu controls everything related to your screen, like brightness and screen timeout, which is another great place for Fitbit display settings adjustments. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Always On Display. Inside the display settings, you might need to scroll down past brightness and screen wake. Keep going until you see Always On Display. You'll notice it says Impacts Battery right underneath it. Fitbit is telling you right there that this is a power-hungry feature. Tap on it to open its dedicated menu. Okay, quick pause. We are at the final step. If you're finding this guide helpful and it's solving your battery problem, please take a second to tap that like button below. It really helps the channel and tells me to make more simple tech tutorials like this one. Thanks. Now, let's finish this. Here we are, the final and most important step. Step 5. Tap the toggle to turn off Always On Display. You'll see a toggle switch that is likely blue, meaning it's on. Just tap it once. It will turn gray or white, indicating that the feature is now off. And that's it. You've done it. You can now just press the side button or swipe up to go back to your clock face. Now your screen will be off by default, but it will wake right up when you need it. This simple change is the most effective way to save Fitbit battery. Now for a quick pro tip. If you like the always-on display but don't need it while you're sleeping, go back into that same menu. Below the toggle, you'll see off hours. You can use this to schedule a time, like from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., where the feature automatically turns off. It's a great compromise. Another common confusion is screen wake. That setting, also in display settings, controls whether the screen turns on when you raise your wrist. Keep that on auto for the best experience. They are 2 different settings. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you now know exactly how to turn off the always-on display on your Fitbit Charge 6. No more frustratingly short battery life. You can now confidently track your sleep, workouts, and daily activity for days on end without worrying about finding your charger. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tech tips from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. Now for my question to you. What's the best battery life you've gotten from your Charge 6? Let me and the community know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.